We have seen when it rains, so sometimes we see rainbow also. In the sky, rainbow is visible to us, and we will see a very beautiful pattern of different colors. Actually, there are 7 colors in that colorful pattern in rainbow formation. And rainbow, actually, when white light, because see, sunlight is coming, we cannot see those separate 7 colors. But in rainbow formation, we see this thing. It means something is going on. One phenomenon is there behind that formation, and that is known as the dispersion of light. So this is the very first topic for today. Good morning everyone, welcome back. So dispersion of light is nothing, it is splitting of white light into 7 colors, and it happens when white light passes through a prism. As you can see, I have taken one prism here. From this side, if we send white light, as it passes through the prism, as it enters the glass prism, it is divided into 7 colors, and when these 7 colors come out, we get a very beautiful pattern on the screen. If we keep one screen, on a screen we will get band of 7 colors, and that pattern of 7 colors, this is known as spectrum. That is known as spectrum of light. So I hope it is clear. Dispersion of light, dividing or splitting of white light into its component colors. There are 7 colors, so we can say directly 7 colors, right? But the main thing, why does it happen? Why does it happen? Means what is the cause of dispersion? If we discuss that cause of dispersion, why different colors or each color or the component colors of white light, they get deviated at different angle. It happens due to deviation at different angle. Every color is going to bend at different angle. So the cause is actually, if I tell you and you remember this thing, different wavelength and different speed. Yes, the cause is different wavelength and different speed What is this concept? This different wavelength, different speed, for which thing we are talking about? Actually, this is for component colors. When white light, now I am taking one diagram from my side. Okay, I have taken one glass prism. As white light enters the glass prism, white light consists of 7 colors, right? 7 colors. According to Vibgyor word, we can remember the name of all these colors. So as white light will enter, so what will happen? All those 7 colors, as they will enter the glass, in glass they have different wavelength and different speed. Yes, each color of white light has different wavelength and different speed in glass, due to which each color will bend at different angle. Each color is deviated at different angle. Although I cannot take all 7 colors here, so like this only I am taking. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one more I am taking like this. So due to different wavelength and different speed, each color is deviated, each color is bent at different angle, and when these will come out, you will see this type of pattern. 3, okay, 4, now 5, and for last 2, okay, like this only I am taking. When you will get this pattern on a screen, you will get spectrum of light. You can remember these colors by this word Vibgyor. Means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Red is the topmost. Reason, bending of red color is least. If I show you this diagram now, here, see, red is the topmost color, violet is the bottommost, right? Reason, red color has maximum speed, so it bends the least. Violet color, in glass it has the least speed, the minimum speed, so bending is the most. It bends the most. So this is the reason now, cause of dispersion, because each color of white light has different wavelength and different speed in glass. As the white light enters the glass prism, due to different wavelength and different speed, each color is deviated at different angle, and this is the reason of this pattern, this is spectrum. Alright, if they will move with same speed, so they will bend at same angle, so together they will come out, so they cannot show different 7 colors. Bending is different, that's why we obtain this beautiful pattern. And in rainbow formation, same thing happens. If I take you there for rainbow formation, what is the reason behind this rainbow formation? How is rainbow formed? Actually, rainbow is formed due to this phenomenon, dispersion of light. Why does it happen? we studied that white light passes through prism, then only it happens. So where is the prism in atmosphere? Actually when it rains, very small water droplets, tiny water droplets are available in atmosphere, and these water droplets will act as a prism. Let me show you. Zoom view of one single raindrop, you can say, single raindrop. Okay, this is one drop. Now in this we are showing the same thing. As white light enters this raindrop, it is divided into 7 colors. But one more phenomenon is involved here. You can see, as all these 7 colors will strike in the inner wall of this raindrop, it is reflected back. It is reflected back, and this is known as internal reflection. If I complete the name for this, this is internal reflection. This is internal reflection, and then these colors will come out and we will see the rainbow in the opposite direction of sun. Like if sun is this side and you are here the observer, so you will see the rainbow this side. You will see the rainbow this side. Rainbow is always formed in the opposite direction of sun. So how rainbow is formed? When it rains, then very small water droplets are available in atmosphere. When sunlight falls on these water droplets, these will act as a prism, and due to dispersion of light and internal reflection, rainbow is formed in the opposite direction of sun. And don't think that every single raindrop will form the rainbow. No, otherwise you will see thousands of rainbow, millions of rainbows. No, actually one single droplet will send you single color, because if you are the observer here and all the 7 colors are coming like this, so few colors will go from here, few colors will go from here, so one single color will reach your eyes very properly. So from different places different colors are reaching your eyes, so you will see the rainbow in this manner, in an area, in this much area, because from different places different colors are reaching your eyes. And rainbow is circular in form. We can see semicircular reason because the remaining half is there, not visible due to this ground, this surface, horizontal level of the earth. But if you will go in sky, you go there in aeroplane, if you are flying, you can see the complete circular rainbow. Alright, so this was a rainbow formation phenomena. If someone is asking what are the 2 phenomena involved in rainbow formation, so simply you say one is dispersion of light and another one is internal reflection. So in this topic we covered dispersion of light, what is cause of dispersion, how is rainbow formed. If someone is asking what is one natural example of dispersion of light, this is the natural example, rainbow formation. Okay everyone, in this lecture this much only. We will meet in another lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.